उसने सच्चे दिल से माफी मांगी। She apologized sincerely. She apologized sincerely. तुम्हें महान बनने का शौक है। You like to play a saint. You like to play a saint. तुम्हें मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी। You will have to work hard. You will have to work hard. सब कुछ दांव पर लगाना। Put everything at stake. Put everything at stake. तुम्हें गुस्सा क्यों आया? What made you angry? तुम्हें गुस्सा क्यों आया? What made you angry? अगर तुम हमारे साथ होते तो अच्छा होता। It would be nice if you were with us. It would be nice if you were with us. मैंने सब कुछ दांव पर लगा दिया। I put everything at stake. I put everything at stake. वो बात बात पर रोती है। She cries on every single matter. She cries on every single matter. बात बात पर मत पूछो। Don't ask on every single matter. Don't ask on every single matter. ये इतना भी बुरा नहीं है। It's not that bad. ये इतना भी बुरा नहीं है। It's not that bad. यह इतना भी मुश्किल नहीं है। It's not that difficult. It's not that difficult. उसने तुम्हारे लिए अपना सब कुछ दांव पर लगाया। He put his everything at stake for you. He put his everything at stake for you. तुम बात बात पर हंसते रहते हो। You keep laughing on every single matter. You keep laughing on every single matter. हम बात बात पर चिंता करते हैं। We get worried on every single matter. We get worried on every single matter. वो इतना भी अच्छा नहीं है। He is not that good. वो इतना भी अच्छा नहीं है। He is not that good. ये इतना भी स्वादिष्ट नहीं है। It's not that tasty. It's not that tasty. वो इतना भी पास नहीं है। It's not that close. It's not that close. क्या मुझे ये खरीद लेना चाहिए? Should I buy this one? Should I buy this one? तुम्हें इस तरह करना चाहिए। You should do like this. You should do like this. मुझे तुमसे सहमत क्यों होना चाहिए? Why should I agree with you? Why should I agree with you? तुम्हें अब घर जाना चाहिए। You should go home now. You should go home now. वो मेरे पड़ोस में रहता है। He lives in my neighborhood. वो मेरे पड़ोस में रहता है। He lives in my neighborhood. मैं उससे टकरा गया। I bumped into him. मैं उससे टकरा गया। I bumped into him. वो अमीर लगता है। He seems to be rich. वो अमीर लगता है। He seems to be rich. तुम्हें मुझे सच बताना चाहिए। You should tell me the truth. You should tell me the truth. तुम्हें बाहर का खाना खाना बंद करना चाहिए। You should stop eating fast food. You should stop eating fast food. तुम्हें इस नौकरी के लिए आवेदन देना चाहिए। You should apply for this job. You should apply for this job. उसे 2 बजे तक यहाँ होना चाहिए। He should be here by 2 o'clock. He should be here by 2 o'clock. उसने मुझसे मिलने का वादा किया. He promised me to meet. He promised me to meet. थोड़ा थोड़ा करके खिलाओ. Feed him bit by bit. Feed him bit by bit. मुझे लगा तुम समझोगे. I thought you would understand. मुझे लगा तुम समझोगे. I thought you would understand. तुमसे मिलकर माफ़ी मांगनी थी. I just wanted to apologize you in person. I just wanted to apologize you in person. मैं तुम्हें छोड़ना नहीं चाहता. I don't want to leave you. I don't want to leave you. नाटक करना बंद करो. Stop being dramatic. Stop being dramatic. तुम किसे घूर रहे हो? Who are you staring at? तुम किसे घूर रहे हो? Who are you staring at? ये छोटी छोटी बातें मेरे लिए कोई मायने नहीं रखती. These petty matters mean nothing to me. These petty matters mean nothing to me. उसकी सादगी का फ़ायदा मत उठाओ. Don't take advantage of her simplicity. Don't take advantage of her simplicity. मैं तो बस एक मामूली सा इंसान हूँ. I am just an ordinary person. I am just an ordinary person. वो छोटी सोच वाला है. He is narrow-minded. वो छोटी सोच वाला है. He is narrow-minded. क्या तुम मुझे समझ रहे हो? Are you getting me? क्या तुम मुझे समझ रहे हो? Are you getting me? मुझे मेरे हाल पर छोड़ दो. Leave me on my own. Leave me on my own. हमारे बीच सब खत्म हो गया. It's over between you and me. It's over between you and me. मेरे पास फालतू समय नहीं है. I don't have spare time. I don't have spare time. क्या तुम मुझसे उब गए? Are you over me? क्या तुम मुझसे उब गए? Are you over me? वो होती कौन है आदेश देने वाली? Who is she to command? Who is she to command? वो होता कौन है मुझे सिखाने वाला? Who is he to teach me? Who is he to teach me? क्या तुम मुझे अपना समझते हो? Do you consider me to be yours? Do you consider me to be yours? क्या तुम वहीं जा रहे हो जहां मैं जा रहा हूं? Are you going the same where I am? Are you going the same where I am? क्या तुम वही खा रहे हो जो मैं खा रहा हूं? Are you eating the same as I am? Are you eating the same as I am? क्या तुम मुझे पागल समझती हो? Do you consider me to be mad? Do you consider me to be mad? मैं तुमसे उब गया. I am over you. मैं तुमसे उब गया. I am over you. उसने मुझसे फिर झूठ बोला. He lied to me again. He lied to me again. क्या तुम वही कर रहे हो जो मैं कर रहा हूँ? Are you doing the same as I am? Are you doing the same as I am? तुम होते कौन हो बोलने वाले? Who are you to speak? Who are you to speak? तुम होते कौन हो मुझे बताने वाले? Who are you to tell me? Who are you to tell me? क्या तुम वही सोच रही हो जो मैं सोच रहा हूँ? Are you thinking the same as I am? Are you thinking the same as I am? क्या तुम मुझे नौकर समझती हो? Do you consider me to be servant? Do you consider me to be servant? क्या तुम मुझे लापरवाह समझती हो? Do you consider me to be careless? Do you consider me to be careless? ये मेरा फर्ज था. This was my responsibility. This was my responsibility. मुझे बोलने का मौका मत दो. Don't give me chance to speak. Don't give me chance to speak. मैं ये अपने तरीके से कर लूँगा. I will do it my way. I will do it my way. ये मेरी शराफत है. It's my decency. ये मेरी शराफत है. It's my decency. बहुत जल्दी मैं इस मुसीबत से छुटकारा पा लूँगा. I will get rid of this trouble very soon. I will get rid of this trouble very soon. मैं बुरी आदतों से छुटकारा पाना चाहता हूँ. I want to get rid of bad habits. I want to get rid of bad habits. ऐसा लगता है वह पागल है. It seems he is crazy. It seems he is crazy. मैं टेनिस खेलने का शौकीन हूँ. I'm fond of playing tennis. I'm fond of playing tennis. कौन कहता है तुम कभी सफल नहीं हो सकते? Who says you can never succeed? Who says you can never succeed? मुझे थोड़ी देर और खेलने दो. Let me play a little longer. Let me play a little longer. आइंदा से ऐसा नहीं होगा. As of now, it will not happen. As of now, it will not happen. कभी तो समय पर आया करो. Do ever come on time. Do ever come on time. सुना है तुम घर आ रहे हो. Heard you are coming home. Heard you are coming home. खबरदार अगर उससे मिले तो. Beware if you meet her. Beware if you meet her. तुमने जानबूझकर नियम तोड़े. You deliberately broke the rules. You deliberately broke the rules. मान लो वो तुम्हारा मित्र है. Suppose he is your friend. Suppose he is your friend. कौन कहता है कि भगवान नहीं है? Who says that God doesn't exist? Who says that God doesn't exist? कौन कहता है तुम मोटी हो? Who says you are fat? Who says you are fat? तुम मुझ पर नजर रख रहे थे. You were keeping eye on me. You were keeping eye on me. यह मेरा अंतिम फैसला है. This is my final decision. This is my final decision. बीच में टांग मत अड़ाओ. Do not interfere. बीच में टांग मत अड़ाओ. Do not interfere. तुम्हें शक करने की आदत है. You have habit to doubt. You have habit to doubt. वो अपनी बात से मुकर गया. He went behind his word. He went behind his word. वैसे क्या करता है वो? By the way, what does he do? By the way, what does he do? वैसे तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया? By the way, why did you do this? By the way, why did you do this? वैसे क्या कह रहे थे तुम? By the way, what were you saying? By the way, what were you saying? तुम ऐसा कुछ नहीं करोगे. You will not do anything like that. You will not do anything like that. मैंने यह अपनी आँखों से देखा है. I saw it with my own eyes. I saw it with my own eyes. वही तो मैं तुमसे कहना चाह रहा हूँ. That's what I am trying to tell you. That's what I am trying to tell you. अभी भी 1000 रुपए कम है. Still short of rupees 1000. Still short of rupees 1000. क्या मैं तुम्हें एक राज की बात बताऊं? Can I tell you a secret? Can I tell you a secret? वह कहीं गिर गया होगा. He must have fallen somewhere. He must have fallen somewhere. तुम अपने पापा को सच क्यों नहीं बता देते? Why don't you tell your father the truth? Why don't you tell your father the truth? इतनी जल्दी में कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going in such a hurry? Where are you going in such a hurry? मैं गहरी सोच में बैठा हूँ. I am sitting in pensive mood. I am sitting in pensive mood. काश मैं मुंबई में होता. I wish I were in Mumbai. I wish I were in Mumbai. इसे यहाँ क्यों रख दिया? Why did you put it here? Why did you put it here? मैं यह अपनी मर्जी से करता हूँ. I do this of my own choice. I do this of my own choice. क्या उसने इलाज कराया था? Had he undergone treatment? Had he undergone treatment? केवल काम की बात करो. Just come to the point. केवल काम की बात करो. Just come to the point. तुम बहुत चटोरे हो गए हो. You have become an epicure. You have become an epicure. मैं शर्त लगा सकता हूँ तुम जीतोगे. I can bet you will win. I can bet you will win. क्या तुम्हें मेरा नाम याद है? Do you remember my name? क्या तुम्हें मेरा नाम याद है? Do you remember my name? मैं दर्द से छुटकारा चाहता हूँ. I want to get rid of the pain. I want to get rid of the pain. मेरा जीवन परेशानियों से भरा हुआ है. My life is full of troubles. My life is full of troubles. मुझे बाकी का काम खत्म करने दो. Let me finish the rest of the work. Let me finish the rest of the work. उसके बाद भी तुम झूठ बोल रहे हो. Even after that you are lying. Even after that you are lying. मैं तुम्हारे बीच फंस गया हूँ. I am stuck between you. I am stuck between you. क्या तुमने कभी गलती नहीं की? Did you never make a mistake? Did you never make a mistake? मैं एक दिन छोड़कर कॉलेज जाता हूँ. I go to college on alternate days. I go to college on alternate days. हमें मिले हुए जमाना हो गया. It's been age since we met. It's been age since we met. क्या तुम्हें मुझसे जलन हो रही है? Are you getting jealous of me? Are you getting jealous of me? तुमसे मिलने का मन कर रहा है. I feel like meeting you. I feel like meeting you. तुम यहाँ से चलते बनो. You leave away from here. You leave away from here. वह बोलने में बहुत अच्छा है। He is good at speaking. He is good at speaking. तुम मुझे खुलकर बता सकते हो। You can tell me frankly. You can tell me frankly. मैं इसे संभाल सकता हूँ। I can handle this. मैं इसे संभाल सकता हूँ। I can handle this. कल कभी नहीं आता। Tomorrow never comes. कल कभी नहीं आता। Tomorrow never comes. तुम्हारा ध्यान किधर है? Where is your attention? तुम्हारा ध्यान किधर है? Where is your attention? वह सिर्फ कहने के लिए दोस्त है। He is just a so-called friend. He is just a so-called friend. मुझे चावल से ज़्यादा रोटी पसंद है। I prefer chapati more than rice. I prefer chapati more than rice. वह मेरा शुभचिंतक है। He is my well-wisher. He is my well-wisher. यह तुम्हारे चक्कर में हुआ है। It has happened because of you. यह तुम्हारे चक्कर में हुआ है। It has happened because of you. अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दो। Concentrate on your studies. Concentrate on your studies. इसी बहाने तुम आ जाना। You come on this pretext. You come on this pretext. वह अब रोने वाला है। He is about to weep now. वह अब रोने वाला है। He is about to weep now. हमेशा बड़ों का सम्मान करें। Always respect elders. Always respect elders. खामखा तुमने मुझे डरा दिया। You scared me unnecessarily. You scared me unnecessarily. यह तुम्हारे लायक नहीं है। This is not suitable for you. This is not suitable for you. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है चिल्लाने की। There is no need to shout. There is no need to shout. क्या लगते हो तुम मेरे? What are you to me? क्या लगते हो तुम मेरे? What are you to me? क्या तुम मेरी जासूसी कर रहे हो? Are you spying on me? Are you spying on me? तुम कुछ बोलते क्यों नहीं? Why don't you speak anything? Why don't you speak anything? ये लड़कियों वाले जूते हैं। These are girly shoes. ये लड़कियों वाले जूते हैं। These are girly shoes. वह लड़का अजीब लग रहा है। That boy is looking strange. That boy is looking strange. दूसरों पर निर्भर मत रहिए। Don't depend upon others. Don't depend upon others. बहुत देर लगा रहे हो तुम। You are taking too long. बहुत देर लगा रहे हो तुम। You are taking too long. जल्दी क्या है? आराम से बात करो। What's the hurry? Talk slowly. What's the hurry? Talk slowly. गलती से भी मुझे मत छूना। Don't touch me even by mistake. Don't touch me even by mistake. जल्दी क्या है? उसे जाने दो। What's the hurry? Let him go. What's the hurry? Let him go. मेरी तुमसे कोई दुश्मनी नहीं है। I have no animosity for you. I have no animosity for you. तुम्हारा शर्ट उल्टा लग रहा है। Your shirt is looking inside out. Your shirt is looking inside out. मुझे और कहाँ जाना चाहिए? Where else should I go? Where else should I go? इज्जत से लौटा दो मेरे पैसे। Return my money respectfully. रिटर्न माई मनी रिस्पेक्टफुली। दूसरों की हंसी मत उड़ाओ। डोंट मेक फन ऑफ अदर्स। दूसरों की हंसी मत उड़ाओ। डोंट मेक फन ऑफ अदर्स। झूठ बोलना कोई तुमसे सीखे। वन शुड लर्न लाइंग फ्रॉम यू। वन शुड लर्न लाइंग फ्रॉम यू। वह मुझे मूर्ख बनाती है। शी मेक्स मी अ फूल। वह मुझे मूर्ख बनाती है। शी मेक्स मी अ फूल। तुम्हें मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी। यू विल हैव टू वर्क हार्ड। यू विल हैव टू वर्क हार्ड। इज्जत से बैठ जाओ यहाँ। सिट हियर रिस्पेक्टफुली। इज्जत से बैठ जाओ यहाँ। सिट हियर रिस्पेक्टफुली। मुझे आपसे कोई उम्मीद नहीं है। I have no hope from you. I have no hope from you. मेरा खेलने का कोई इरादा नहीं है। I have no intention of playing. I have no intention of playing. मैं आपके साथ समय बिताना चाहता हूँ। I want to spend time with you. I want to spend time with you. मेरी तुमसे कोई दुश्मनी नहीं है। I have no enmity with you. I have no enmity with you. कभी कभी झूठ बोलना पड़ता है। Sometimes we have to lie. Sometimes we have to lie. तुम्हें मेरी बात सुननी पड़ेगी। You will have to listen to me. You will have to listen to me. तुम कितनी बार नहाते हो? How often do you shower? How often do you shower? तुम और क्या कर सकते हो? What else can you do? What else can you do? तुम कितनी बार वहाँ जाते हो? How often do you go there? How often do you go there? वह बात बात पर घबरा जाती है। She gets nervous at every word. She gets nervous at every word. मैं जी भर कर खाऊंगा। I will eat to my heart's content. I will eat to my heart's content. मैंने जल्दबाजी में खाना नहीं खाया। I did not eat food in a hurry. I did not eat food in a hurry. वह रोजी रोटी के लिए काम करता है। He works for bread and butter. He works for bread and butter. मैं तरह तरह की किताबें पढ़ता हूँ। I read different kinds of books. I read different kinds of books. वह बैठे बैठे सो रहा था। He was sleeping while sitting. He was sleeping while sitting. हम आमने सामने बैठे थे। We were sitting face to face. We were sitting face to face. मेरे दादाजी मेरे दिल के बेहद करीब थे। My grandfather was very close to my heart. My grandfather was very close to my heart. मुझे इस बारे में कुछ नहीं पता। I don't know anything about this. I don't know anything about this. कसम से मैं वहाँ कभी नहीं गई। I swear I have never been there. I swear I have never been there. मेरे घर वाले मुझे अत्यधिक प्रिय हैं। My family is very close to my heart. My family is very close to my heart. कसम से वो झूठ बोल रहा है। I swear he is telling a lie. I swear he is telling a lie. वो सांप बहुत ही ज़्यादा लंबा था। That snake was way too long. That snake was way too long. तुम्हारी स्कर्ट बहुत ही ज़्यादा छोटी है। Your skirt is way too short. Your skirt is way too short. वहाँ की सड़क बहुत ही ज़्यादा खराब है। The road there is way too bad. The road there is way too bad. परीक्षा बहुत ही ज़्यादा आसान थी. The exam was way too easy. The exam was way too easy. क्या तुम उससे डरते हो? Do you get scared of him? Do you get scared of him? ये बैग किसका है? Whose bag is this? ये बैग किसका है? Whose bag is this? हमारे पास ईगो नहीं होना चाहिए. We should not have an ego. We should not have an ego. तुम वहाँ कर क्या रहे थे? What were you doing there? तुम वहाँ कर क्या रहे थे? What were you doing there? तुम पागल हो गए हो क्या? Have you gone mad? तुम पागल हो गए हो क्या? Have you gone mad? आप एक बार मुझे इन्फॉर्म कर सकते थे. You could have informed me once. You could have informed me once. मेरी दादी कहानियाँ सुना रही थी. My grandmother was telling stories. My grandmother was telling stories. Translate it. जीवन बहुत अनमोल है. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें.